90% of traders lose money in their first year. Not because they're stupid, not because they lack discipline, but because they make the same 3 mistakes that professional traders learned to avoid 20 years ago. Here's what's crazy. These mistakes are completely predictable and completely avoidable, but nobody talks about them. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly what those 3 mistakes are, and more importantly, how you're going to avoid every single one. Let's start. Here's the first mistake: trading without a plan. Most traders wake up, look at the charts, and decide to trade based on how they feel. Is the market going up? Feels good? Let me buy. Is it going down? Feels scary? Let me sell. No written rules, no predetermined setup, just emotion. And here's what happens. You win a trade, you get overconfident and risk too much on the next one. You lose a trade, you panic and exit at the worst time. This is why emotional traders lose. They're not following a system. They're following their feelings, and feelings change every 5 minutes. The second mistake: no position sizing formula. Beginner traders think bigger position size equals bigger profit. So they risk 10% on one trade, then 15% on the next. Then they hit one bad trade and their account drops 30%. Gone. This is the fastest way to blow up an account. Professional traders use a simple rule: risk only 1 to 2% per trade. So if you have a $10,000 account, you risk $100 to $200 per trade. Even if you lose 10 trades in a row, you still have $8,000 left. You're still in the game. Beginners risk 10% and blow up after losing 5 trades. The third mistake: no stop losses. Beginners hold losing trades hoping they bounce back. The price will come back. I'll break even, but it doesn't come back. It keeps dropping, and now a small loss becomes a huge loss. Meanwhile, professionals always have a predetermined stop loss. They know exactly how much they're willing to lose before entering the trade. If the trade goes against them, they exit with a small loss. They move on. They don't hope. They don't pray. They follow their rules. This is why professionals survive long enough to become profitable. Here's what separates professionals from everyone else. They have a plan. They risk only 1 to 2% per trade, and they use stop losses on every single trade. That's it. 3 rules. These 3 rules mean when they lose small. When they win decent. Over 100 trades, if they win 50% and lose 50%, they still profit because their winners are bigger than their losers. This is the game. This is how you win, not by being right all the time, but by losing small and winning decent. The good news: you now know the 3 mistakes. You know why 90% of traders fail, and you know exactly what to do instead. You can be different. You can be in the 10%. Not because you're smarter, not because you're luckier, but because you'll do what professionals do. Trade with a plan, position size correctly, and use stop losses every single trade. No exceptions. This isn't complicated. It's just discipline, and discipline is learnable. The next video covers the psychological side of trading, the mindset that makes discipline possible. Now go ahead and subscribe, because video 2 teaches you the psychology that separates winners from losers.